AI the big talking subject at the moment? How is AI affecting your business?
AI is the key driver meanwhile. So AI is dramatically changing the entire IT landscape. So we have so many requests for AI deployments in the Nordics as well also in continental Europe. So we see a lot of interest coming from the major development markets from all over the world addressing the European market and want to host in the European market.
Interesting. And you know, you're going to consume an awful lot more power, or we're told we're going to consume an awful lot more power driving AI. Driving AI. How's that affecting your business? How are you going to manage that as well as your sustainability aims?
So, good question. Several good questions. Hopefully, I can give some good answers because power is for sure. Meanwhile, a game changer as well. So in the past, typically deployments were 5-10 megawatts. Meanwhile, we are talking 20, 30 or even beyond 100 megawatts deployments. So, and this is key critical. So we are in a good position in Norway. We have a lot of good power. We have green power. When you come to Norway, you can't avoid it to be green. So we have more than 90% is from water factories, and the rest is wind and solar parks, some kind of that. So that means in Norway, the power is and remain 100% green. When going more to the continental Europe, it really depends on the site where you're going to. But also here in London, we have a site. We have enough power. We will grow there beyond 20 megawatts in the next 2 years. We will have a site in Frankfurt area with 54 megawatts white space, which start going live beginning of next year. So we are secured. We can fulfill most of the requirements. And the key thing, and this is our DNA, this is our philosophy, this is our key strategy, to be green and sustainable. And this is where we are focusing the business to. So means we are never ever going into an area where we can't be green.
Excellent. And I mean, this whole power consumption thing, it's probably important to recognize that the power is for compute. It's to drive IT, to allow people to kind of use services that run across computers. What are those applications? You know, who are those companies? What are some of the people you can name?
So this is a good question because there is not just one AI. So everyone, when people thinking about ChatGPT and the other derivatives, so it's the same. But AI is much more. AI depends on the customer. AI depends on the vertical. The AI for a finance banking customer is completely different than for an automotive customers. So, and there is then behind coming these machine learning stuff. So, and this is like you learn a new language, and this is the same in AI as well. So that means, or that is the reason why we are currently seeing so many deployments, different deployments and huge deployments of AI.
Just going back to what we were talking about a minute ago, which was sustainability. How important is it for you to work with companies like Schneider Electric, partner with companies that are that seem to have sustainability as core to their DNA?
Yeah. So for us it's important customer first. So, and we are proud to say since we started operations we have 100% uptime, even also in a tier 1 environment. So Schneider Electric is a long-term partner from us. So we have a trusted relationship. So, and this is perfectly working right now. And clearly saying without 100% uptime and without a Schneider, it's not possible.